Introduce yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Anju. I come from Sikar, which is in Rajasthan. I have completed my graduation from IIT Kharagpur in the Department of Economics. I graduated in 2021. Since then, I have been preparing for civil services exam.
So this is your which attempt?
Ma'am, this is my fourth attempt.
So what have you been doing since your graduation?
Ma'am, actually, I prepared by myself, so there was a bit of there was a lack of guidance, so I did it by trial and error method. Because of that, it took time.
No problem. So Anju, you are from Rajasthan.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me 3 things about Rajasthan you like and 3 things about Rajasthan you don't like.
Okay. Ma'am, the weather of Rajasthan, I really like it, especially the Sikar area in which I live. Because in winters, I have seen that northern India, there is a dense fog everywhere. But in Sikar, Rajasthan, sky is almost clear all the days. So, and in summers also, I feel that the moisture is not there in the wind. So, it feels lesser hot than the other northern regions of India. So, the weather is good. Other than that, ma'am, the sand also, I like it. It's a good scenery. And also the culture of Rajasthan, because I have been to various places. So people are a bit soft spoken of Rajasthan as compared to other northern regions of India where I have been. So these are the 3 things. Also, along with culture, the clothes also, there's a lot of diversity. People focus a lot on the colors of clothes, on different type of clothes in festivals, weddings. So,
And what you don't like?
Ma'am, there is rarely a thing that I don't like about Rajasthan.
There's nothing you don't like about Rajasthan.
Ma'am, in some areas of Rajasthan, their development is still very less. So, education is not there of women in Rajasthan. In rural areas, especially in southwest Rajasthan. So, that is the one thing that I think should be.
What is the sex ratio of Rajasthan?
Sorry, ma'am, I'm not aware about the exact number.
Child mortality ratio?
Sorry, ma'am, I don't know.
Maternal mortality ratio?
Sorry, ma'am, I could not recall at the moment the exact number.
Unemployment data?
Ma'am, unemployment is high. Around 26% of the people who are looking for jobs, around 26% are not getting jobs. That is what I read from CMI previous year. So it might be something else.
Okay. So Anju, why did you think of becoming civil servant?
Ma'am, I have been to various places. I have been at a place where I have opportunity to do something else. But when I think that after 40-50 years, when I will be in my 70s, 60s, I want to be satisfied. And money is not something which I think that will satisfy me. So instead, I want to do something where all the potential that I feel that is in myself should be properly used. So I feel that I am a person which have a lot of different type of skills, like a jack of all trades type. So I think that I could use that better in civil services.